Sierra. This is the Featherweight shop.
Is this Sierra?
Hello, this is Sierra.
Hi, Sierra. This is Carmen, and I'm with Joy, and we are from the Featherweight shop, and we are calling to wish you a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
But do you know why else we're calling you?
I hope I won the Minty Green sewing machine.
You sure did.
I did. Oh my goodness, that's the best thing ever. I am actually currently in the hospital in labor.
Oh my goodness.
So that is really great news for me today.
I must say that is a first for us. Well, that is so exciting. Congratulations on your upcoming, do you know, are you having a boy or a girl?
I'm having a girl.
Oh, how fun. How exciting. Well, when you get home, you will have a green featherweight waiting for you. I need to have I need to have Christian call you back and get the rest of your information. Would you rather him wait a couple days?
No, that's fine. You can call back anytime.
Okay, well, congratulations, and we hope you have a Merry Christmas.
You too. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Well, that was interesting. That was Sierra in Kentucky, the winner of our Minty Mint Green Featherweight, and how exciting for her on multiple fronts. But so from all of us here at the Featherweight Shop, we want to thank you for entering so many times and for shopping and having fun with us this holiday season. And so from all of us here, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.